In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use OBS virtual camera on Discord. By the end, you'll have your OBS scenes, overlays and effects showing up as your camera inside Discord, so your calls and streams look exactly the way you want. Start by opening OBS and getting your scene ready. Make sure the sources you want are visible, your webcam, gameplay slides or overlays, and that everything looks correct in the preview. This is what Discord will receive, so take a moment to check framing, lighting and audio levels. If you use specific resolutions or frame rates, set them in OBS now so your video looks crisp and consistent later. With OBS set, switch over to Discord. In the bottom left corner of the app, click the gear icon to open User Settings. This is where you control all of your device inputs, and it's the place we'll point Discord to your OBS output. Inside Settings, go to Voice and Video under the App Settings section. This page handles both microphone and camera configuration. We'll focus on the video portion for now, but it's a good time to confirm your microphone is also set the way you want, especially if you route audio through OBS or use a dedicated mic. Scroll to the video section, you'll see a live preview area and a drop-down labeled camera. Open that drop-down and select OBS Virtual Camera as your device. Once selected, the preview should update to show exactly what you're seeing in OBS. If your scene includes multiple elements, give it a second to render, then confirm everything is in frame and moving smoothly. If OBS Virtual Camera doesn't appear in the list, try restarting Discord after OBS is open. Also, make sure no other apps are monopolizing your physical webcam, and verify that camera permissions are granted to Discord in your operating system settings. On some setups, you may need to enable the virtual camera inside OBS first. If you don't see the option in Discord, check OBS and then reopen Discord so it refreshes the device list. Back in Discord, use the preview to fine-tune how you look. If the video appears mirrored or cropped, adjust your sources in OBS until the framing is perfect. When you're happy, close settings. The next time you join a voice or video call, Discord will use your OBS virtual camera as the source. If you ever want to switch back to your regular webcam, just return to voice and video and choose your physical camera in the drop-down. That's it, you've connected OBS to Discord and your virtual camera is ready to go. Enjoy your polished, professional-looking calls and streams.